Here's how to convert HEIC to WEBP. So if you need that WebP image format and you have HEIC files, it's very easy to just drag and drop them into ConvertSave. I'll leave a link in the description down below or the top comment. I actually created this app with my brother. He's a software developer. You drag them in, you select your output, and in this case, we're going to WebP. And you hit convert, and it saves those right next to where the originals were with the same name. And so this is a video, audio, and image converter that works offline on Mac, which I'm on right now, and Windows. You can check it out with the link down below or go to convertsave.com. I'm sick of going to random websites for all my file conversions, so I talked to my brother about trying to create an app that can do this directly on my desktop and just click and drag files in, and it works just like that. It converts, then it saves. We're adding a lot more advanced features coming soon, as well as hopefully different file formats, so that this is like a really universal file converter that hopefully you guys find a lot of value in, and it's a utility that you use as much as I use, because this is my main way to convert images, video, and audio now. That's ConvertSave. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.